Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download ChargePoint Home Flex app pairing step by step clearly. Start by ensuring you have your ChargePoint Home Flex charging station set up and powered on. Open the App Store on your mobile device. For iPhone users, search for ChargePoint in the App Store. For Android users, open the Google Play Store and search for ChargePoint. Locate the ChargePoint app in the search results. Tap on the app icon to open the app page. Select the Install button to download the app. Wait for the app to finish downloading and installing. Once installed, open the ChargePoint app from your device. You will be prompted to create an account or log in if you already have one. Follow the on-screen prompts to enter your email and create a password if needed. After logging in, you'll reach the main dashboard of the app. Locate the option for Add ChargePoint Home Flex or Pair New Charger. Tap on this option to begin the pairing process. Ensure your smartphone's Bluetooth is turned on for the pairing to work. The app will search for nearby ChargePoint Home Flex units. Once your charger is detected, tap on its name to connect. Follow the remaining on-screen instructions to complete the pairing. You may be asked to confirm a code displayed on your charger screen. Confirm the code to securely pair your device with the charger. Once paired, you will have access to features such as scheduling, monitoring, and notifications. Explore the app to familiarize yourself with its functionalities. You are now ready to use your ChargePoint Home Flex app effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.